Hello students, in our previous lecture we discussed some points to remember while writing a report and types of report, and today we will discuss format of a report. So let's begin with our today's topic. The following format may generally be prescribed for making a report. First of all, there is title and date. Every report must have the title, what it is about. So, first of all, the person who is making a report has to give the title of the report or what the report is about. In all commercial matters, the date is very important, and every report must have the date on which it was made or formally presented. So, in business matters, commercial matters, the date is very important, and every report must have the date on which it was made and presented. So, the first point that is very important while formatting a report is title and date of the report. Second is introduction. A report must have an introduction stating the purpose for it is made or under whose authority it is being prepared. Introduction helps to familiarize the reader about the subject of the report. It prepares the reader for what is to follow. So, a report must have an introduction which tells the reader that what is the purpose of the report or for what reason it is being prepared. The introduction may also mention as to how the committee worked. For example, what method was adopted by the committee to deliberate on the problem before, what kind of studies and surveys were conducted, when and where the meetings were held, whether a questionnaire was issued or not, if issued to whom, and what was the response. So, the introduction may also mention such things like as to how the committee worked, which method was adopted by the committee to think about the problem, what kind of studies and surveys were conducted by the committee, when and where the meetings were held or conducted, whether a questionnaire was issued or not. If issued, then to whom it was issued and what was the response to that questionnaire. So all these things are included in introduction of the report. Third point is body of the report. Body of the report should be divided into various parts, and each part should be further divided into various sections, and each section should have numbered paragraphs. So in body of report there should be various parts, and each part should be further divided into various sections, and each section should have numbered paragraphs. So body of the report should be divided into parts, into sections, and into various paragraphs. The numbering should be done properly. Fourth point is recommendations. Recommendations are generally given at the end. These should be listed properly in descending order of importance. Recommendations are very important and they should be given at the end. Next is conclusion. Conclusion is used to describe the remarks at the end of the writing and show that the discussion has come to an end. It should be given in a list. So in our report there should be conclusion at the end of the report. Next point is signature. A report has to be signed. Signatures are usually put down in the right hand bottom corner of the last page of the report with the place and date in the left hand corner. So in the right hand bottom corner of last page, there should be the signature by the person who is making a report. Seventh point is appendices. A report will generally contain the appendices relating to various matters such as composition of committee, subcommittee, questionnaires, statistical data, examples, summary, working sheets, drawings, designs, etc. So there should be appendices in our report. The most important appendix of report is index. Index is used to locate easily any topic, subtopic, or important aspects of the content. Next is glossary. Glossary is a list of technical words used in the report and their explanation. Glossary is, we can say, vocabulary. It's a list of technical words used in the report which are used to make a report and their explanation. If the number of words is small, they are explained in footnotes. So glossary is also important part of the format of a report. Last but not least is the minutes of dissent. Sometimes in a formal report, we have minutes of dissent. All the members of the committee may come to different conclusions. If such dissenting members so desire, they may append a note of dissent, which is to be given at the end of the report. If there is a note of dissent in the report, a reference must be made in the introduction and the body of the report. So, sometimes in a formal report, there are minutes of dissent. So, all the members of committee may come to different conclusions regarding the report. So the members, if they wish, they may append a note of dissent that they are not agree with the report, which is to be given at the end of the report. If there is a note of dissent or disagreement in the report, reference must be made in the introduction and the body of the report. So all these are the points, important points of format of a report, like title and date, introduction, body of the report, recommendations, conclusion, signature, appendices, glossary, and minutes of dissent. So students, try to learn all these points, and today we have completed our topic. Tomorrow we will continue with our next lecture. Thank you very much.